Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to send a photo to a group on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing photos with your group chats from your computer is easier and more seamless than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps to get your photo sent in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the left side menu. There you'll see a messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. Click on it to open your direct messages. Now, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Scroll through and find the group chat where you want to share your photo. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the bottom of the message bar, you'll notice a small photo icon. This is your gateway to sharing images directly from your computer. Click on the photo icon, and a file selection window will pop up. Browse your computer, choose the photo you want to send, and then click Open. Your selected photo will appear in the message bar, ready to go. All that's left is to click Send. Just like that, your photo is instantly shared with everyone in the group chat. This new update makes it incredibly convenient to keep your group connected and share moments straight from your desktop. Whether you're sending a work update, a funny meme, or a favorite memory, you can do it all without switching to your phone. So next time you're at your computer and want to share a photo with your Instagram group, just follow these steps. Open Instagram in your browser, click the messages icon, select your group, hit the photo icon, choose your image, and click Send. It's that easy. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.